Hey you, I'm Danny Boom and this is a showcase exclusive. Today I'm really excited to reveal the new Mini Brands Gold Rush collection. That's right, for the first time in 2 years, Mini Brands has got a new collection out. It's the Gold Rush edition and it's exclusive to Showcase. Today's show, what we're gonna do is dive in to this case of Mini Brands and try and find all 35 items on the shopping list and the 6 elusive Ultra Rose Gold edition. Okay, come on with me. Let's open up and see what we can find. Okay, guys, let's dive in. So we've got our case of Mini Brands. Let's take out the first box. Now, this is the first Mini Brands Gold Rush ball. I've never done this before, and I'm really excited because I'm now the first person ever to actually open this new collection of Mini Brands, the Gold Rush collection. So here I go. I'm going to open it up. Look at the gold ball inside. Wow, that's really cool. We open the packaging. And now here we go, guys. Are you ready? We're gonna open it up. We're gonna pull out the stopper and we've got our 5 little surprises there. Now, so for those of you guys who don't know what Mini Brands is, what you do is you get a ball which is 5 separate compartments, and each compartment has a mystery toy gift product in it, okay? There's other editions, but in this edition, everything is gonna be gold. That's why they call it the Gold Rush collection. And what we're looking for is the 6 ultra rares, okay? And an ultra rare is an absolute must-have collectible. So let's open up, let's find out. I'm gonna use a pen actually to open up because I'm a little bit, my thumbs are a little bit fat. First thing out of the gate, here we go, guys, is the gold Baby Bell. Look at that. Ooh, doesn't that look good? That's so cool. So that's number 1. Oh, wow. I found the shopping cart. Here we go. So that's a shopping cart, which you can make. Oh, wow. What's next? Okay. Oh, wow. This is very exciting because this is a really great demonstration of new packaging. Okay, now this is the most amazing thing about Mini Brands is the packaging is so lifelike. It actually looks like the 100% size version. They filled it with a new filling so it actually feels like you've got coffee. So that's 3 down. Let's open this next one. What's in this one? Oh, wow, this is cool. What's this? Oh, Honey Bunches of Oats in gold. Right, here comes, is our last one of this first 5. Okay, in our first 5, we've got, oh wow, what's this? We got the shopping list and Port Soleil. Oh, gee, it's so realistic. They even have the barcode on it. Okay, so now what we've got here is, we've got the elusive shopping list. And as I was showing you, okay, there's your 6 ultras. So you have a rose gold, the ultras to collect right at the beginning, basically. These are your big collectibles. And also these are going to be your biggest trading chips as well. Okay, so here we go, guys. Let's open number 2. Let's get opening these immediately. I love the detail. The detail is amazing. And I've never really done the Mini Brands thing. I'm very new to this, but I can understand why it's such a collectible item. And the most beautiful thing is, out of each one of the 5 surprises, you're gaining something that you can collect, you can play with, collect, then you can trade, right? Okay, so let's open this next one. We pop it open. Wow, what we're gonna get? Okay, let's pop this open. I'm gonna use my pen to open. Oh, whoa, here we go. This is a new one, something I haven't got already. Okay, so this is Cream of Tartar. Huh? Beautiful. I just love the gold. It really makes it extra special. Okay, we've got the another shopping list and another cheese. Okay, so we've already got that one. So now I've got something to trade. Got my Port Soleil. What else we got here? Oh, wow. Frank's Red Hot. Now, look at that. That's cool. Frank's Red Hot right there. We've got organic paprika. Ooh, look at the design on that. Isn't that beautiful? So cool. Loving that. Okay, so I've got 2 to trade, 3 to keep right off the bat. Now, the most amazing thing about all of this is actually the brands that are working with them. You've got McCormick Spices, you've got Havela Coffee, Kefir, you've got Port Soleil Cheese, you've got Frank's Red Hot. All of these brands, like, you can find in a supermarket right now. That's the most amazing thing. These guys are, the brand recognition alone, and also the nostalgia. Now, let's crack this open. Let's see what we've got. Oh, the first one. We got a first rose gold. That's an ultra rare right there, guys. 1 of 6. Brilliant. Look at that. That's so exciting. So we've got our first one. So I've got 2 to trade, 1 ultra. Oh boy, that is really exciting. Straight out of the bat, it's the 3rd ball. And I guess the thing is, the excitement about this is you just never know what you're going to get. Ooh, blue diamond smoked almonds. Look at the detail of that. Even the lid. Even look at the lid. That's so neat. All right. I've got... Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, this is neat. Now I've got Almond Brie milk. Hey, look at that detail. They've even got the story on the back of the box. Okay, ball number 4. I love the packaging though. The gold, the pink, it makes it pop. You know where you're going to find these. Now remember guys, this is a limited edition offer. This is literally a collectible only available at Showcase right now. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, wow. Look at this. Now I'm going to show you something here, guys. This is the new packaging. Look at that. They've got this amazing foam inside to make it actually feel like it's the real thing. Okay? These golden crinkle fries, you'd actually only find them in the frozen section, but today we're finding them in our Mini Brands Gold Rush. Woo! Artisan nut fins. Woo! That's so neat. That is so cool. The detail is just incredible. Okay, keep digging. What are we gonna find in here? Ooh, this is shake and bake. Shake and bake. This is what the unboxing zone is like. Now remember guys, you're going to go in store, you're going to go online, and you're going to find the Mini Brands Gold Rush collection exclusively at Showcase, okay? Now as we're opening these up, you can also go into stores and go to an unboxing zone. So let's open this up one more time. Let's see another 5 surprises. Oh, wow. Showcase, you are doing a great job here, guys. Look at this. Oh, we have, ladies and gentlemen, a new one to the group. This is Old Bay. Look at that. So cool. Right. That's number 1 of all 5. Let's go. Oh, what we got here, everybody? We've got another shopping cart. Is this the... Oh, great. This is fantastic. This is shopping cart number 2. So we've got the shopping cart and then the shopping trolley. Okay, but what we have next, guys, is ground cinnamon. Is that a trade, ladies and gentlemen? I think we have a trade. Do I have ground cinnamon? I have ground cinnamon now in rose gold and a ground cinnamon in gold. I'm not going to be trading that away just yet, but look at the differences. Rose gold ultra, ground cinnamon, and the gold cinnamon. There we go, guys. Look at that. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, listen, I've opened a lot of Mini Brands Gold Rush today, and I've got a few left over in the box. So I'm going to go around the neighborhood, give them to the kids, and then I might have somebody to trade with. Okay, guys, that's been a Showcase exclusive. Today, we have shown you the newest Mini Brands Gold Rush collection. The newest collection in 2 years from Mini Brands. Go out there today and you shop online and in-store, and you can only find these at a limited time for $19.99 in-store and online. Remember, guys, when you're looking for exclusives, you can only find the hottest exclusives when you shop at Showcase.